Good morning, 9:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to start out with this. I want to read a little bit of numbers to you real quick from this article that I thought was pretty interesting, since it's basically right on the money in my opinion. So XRP price prediction, Ripple spells trouble. And guys, hit that motherfucking like button. Let's get to 100 likes per video. It's something that I have personal expectation. If you're considering joining Tom's Army, we ended a 6-day losing streak of no new members of Tom's Army. So I want to thank Brad for joining Tom's Army last night. We had a few people rejoin that hadn't rejoined yet. And I think we had a total of like 5 people, including the 1 new person, 4 old members that have decided to rejoin. I don't know what I said yesterday to make that happen, but I am honored, privileged, and honestly, I feel fucking awesome to see all of that. So you want to join Tom's Army, get the exclusive content, get the classes, and also get the exclusive Telegram. With 258 people, it's a great environment, and it's a nice place to be if you want to just catch up to the charts. Also, you get the classes 3 times a week. So Ripple price fails to break and consolidate above 70 cents and the monthly S1 support level. XRP price is set to tank 10 to 15% if the move from Monday results in a dead cat bounce. Expect investors to pull their funds as the RSI is inching further to the downside. Ripple XRP price is not in a good place this Tuesday as investors are sitting on their hands, and XRP price has undergone a firm rejection on the top side with the monthly S1 support level around 70 cents, clearly showing resistance since the end of March. Bears have been using the handle to complete their shorts and are looking to fulfill the relative strength index RSI trade towards the oversold barrier. Only then will bears book profits and open the door for bulls to re-enter, but that looks like when XRP price will hit either 62 or 58 in the process. XRP price set to drop 10 to 15%. Ripple price saw significant inflow on Monday as bulls jumped in near the U.S. close after some good earnings that proved enough to shake off all the tail risk triggered on Monday. Together with must buying Twitter, cryptocurrencies jumped back on the front foot, but that sentiment is fading quickly with one of like Bitcoin and Dogecoin clinging to gains while XRP price set to tank, and Dogecoin ended up dropping over 13% since this was released. XRP price is thus not in the basket for the cherry picking that cryptocurrency investors are doing at the moment. XRP price is pushed into the camp of investors awaiting the big tech earnings and are vigilant for the spillover effect from the NASDAQ into cryptocurrencies. As of this evening, after the U.S. closed for 3 consecutive days, the top 6 big tech companies are set to report their earnings. Expect XRP price to dip further towards 62 or 58 cents. As the demand side dries up because of no interest, opening the door for bears to push price action even further to the downside. If a Netflix scenario is avoided for Microsoft and Alphabet, it could push investors into a good mood and see the jump in the price action for XRP price. That would mean a bounce off the red descending trend line and a possible break above the monthly S1. A jump higher towards 73 cents or even 78 cents would be a strong bullish signal to the markets, with the RSI fading away from the being oversold. So XRP does not look good, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get into XRP. So here's what we're seeing with XRP. We're still below 65 cents. We've had one minor push up. We had a little bit of volume in the 30-minute about 45 minutes ago. But a lot of that was a gigantic wick pull down, so that's never a good sign. Every time we pull up, and this is the second 30-minute candle this has happened, we came up to 65.565 and immediately pulled back down under the 20-day. Which right now, like I said yesterday, if we can't get support over this 20-day at 65 cents, we're in some trouble. We've already come down to 62 cents, but now are we going to have to come down farther? Because this looks like another dead cat bounce to me. And like I said, we're looking for top-end action up to, what is that, 69.8, 70 cents. But unfortunately, we got a bunch of bullshitters on YouTube. And, you know, if you go on, you're going to think we're in this biggest bull run of all times. Or you're going to think that this is the reversal that ends all reversals. When really, you look at the volume and it's fucking atrocious. This volume is terrible. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you're going to lose a lot of money. It's just that simple. I mean, what we're looking for here is we've got the support down here at 62.753, and we've got resistance at 69.872, which means we've got a range right now of less than 12%, and we're going up and down, up and down. Now, what I'm seeing right now, is this a good time to take out a position? I mean, that's a lot of wick pullbacks right now here in the early morning. Sometimes when you get these wick pullbacks, you got this, you create like a M-topping reversal, and then it just pours out. I would not be surprised to see XRP trying to make a run towards 58 cents here in the short term. This volume is terrible. Unless we get good earnings today, it's not going to. I don't even know if the earnings will save crypto today, because if you look up here, the US dollar currency index has broke over where I said it would, and it has used it as support, just like I said it would, at the 102.94 mark. So now that can bring us all the way up, guys, on the US dollar currency index, and it's an issue. Because now you're talking about going way back in the pattern, and if this plays out, like I said, as a W, as it's trying to, now that means that we could possibly make this next move up that I talked about, the 120.23, and that would be a capitulation type event that would end the dollar. The problem is if they do one of these capitulation events to end the dollar, it's going to fucking wreck crypto on the way, and then crypto's going to have a massive pump, I mean massive, a pump that you've probably never seen before when this all settles out. But if you say this is where the breakout's at, I mean, you can come down here and say, hey, we started breaking out here. I mean, that's all leading us into that direction. We're in some trouble here, folks. And yeah, I acknowledge that dollar currency index can't continue to go forever. But when the government's manipulating it, it can go for a lot longer than most people think. The total crypto market cap in the weekly looks atrocious. Let's go into the 30. Yeah, that looks awful. This looks like we're getting ready to pull down and create a secret M here, man. This does not look good. Because I'm starting to see this in all the patterns again. And last time I seen this, it pulled down. And that's exactly what it looks like it wants to do. Now, it is an arm. So it could surprise us and pull up and then pull down. That I wouldn't be surprised if that's what happened, actually. So we're going to see if there's any kind of hope for the crypto market today. How's it? The Dow... We'll see if that opens up any better. We've got Bitcoin. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm just going to do Bitcoin after. So Bitcoin's right in the 20-day and the 30-hour and the 30-minute time frame, which can be a bullish look. Because you can use this as a bull flag, and then this would come. If this gets used as a bull flag, Bitcoin will bounce up to about here at 40,526. If not, if this pulls through and makes a W here, Bitcoin's probably falling through that consolidation and going to end up to that 37,200. I don't know. To me, this looks like a setup. This looks like a trap, fake out. You know, a fake out to take the bank out. So remember that, fake out to take the bank out, and you're not going to have a portfolio left. XRP Future Millionaire. Hit that motherfucking like button. Subscribe to the channel. And consider joining Tom's Army. Join the most exclusive and elusive subscription-based service on YouTube. Oh, yeah. In month 1, you get me abducted by aliens, an emoji badge. In month 2, you get douchebag Dusty's Outhouse Crypto News. Somebody who couldn't see technical analysis if it slapped him in the face. Month 3, you get the XRP Meteor coming down to Earth. Month 4, you get the XRP Predictor, and so on through month 12. So I want to thank each and every one of you. You also get the Telegram for joining Tom's Army and the exclusive classes 3 times a week.